He'll be a Schindler 5400 AP MRL Traction lift at Australia Zoo. Green Vander LOP, and LOP stands for Landing Operating Panel. COP is for Cabin Operating Panel. Red D8 fixtures. Here it is. Look up to level 1. Schindler pipe. Cat view. Going down.
Yeah.
That's ground level.
Yeah.
Are you guys going up?
Quick. Hurry up. Oh, he's just walking up. Thank you.
We'll go to ground and end it. COP is dead. Lift number 1, Australia Zoo, 1638 Steve Irwin Way, Beerwah. Maximum load 1600 kilograms, 21 persons. Watch it go from here because there's people inside. There it goes. And that's it.